हाय, मैं हूँ कृति और आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो एलजे 90.8 एफएम और हमारे साथ है ध्रुविश। हाय ध्रुविश।
हाय कृति।
आपको ऐसा कब लगा कि आप एज अ पॉडकास्टर बन सकते हैं?
सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। मैं खुद एलजे में पढ़ रहा था एंड आई डिडंट थॉट दैट मैं एलजे में ही एक पॉडकास्ट करूँगा एंड आई विल बी पॉडकास्टेड बाय कृति, राइट। सो इट्स माई फर्स्ट पॉडकास्ट जहाँ पे मैं एक गेस्ट हूँ और मैं एक पॉडकास्टर नहीं हूँ।
ओके।
So I thought that let's start this because I personally thought कि अभी की जनरेशन में लोग पढ़ नहीं रहे। They are specifically listening from totally different things because आप कुछ
या
भी उनको एक अच्छे माध्यम से डिपिक्ट करोगे so they are watching it और वो लोग उसको सेम चीज़ को इंटीग्रेट भी कर रहे हैं। So I thought that why not to discover the segment of entrepreneurship बिकॉज बहुत सारे फाउंडर्स वैसे हैं जो लोगों को पता ही नहीं है दैट इन्होंने ये चीज़ फाउंड की थी। इफ़ आई टेक अ सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, आई हैड पॉडकास्टेड इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर फाउंडर। सबको पेट पूजा पता है बट everyone is not knowing that who is the founder behind Pet Puja. And it was his first podcast. So what we did is that we tried to cover up the whole journey जो उन्होंने 10 साल में पूरा सॉफ्टवेयर बनाया था वो एक 40 मिनट के पॉडकास्ट में उन्होंने डिपिक्ट किया। So if you also want to be a to be startup founder or an entrepreneur, it can be a very strong powerhouse. आप एक बार MBA नहीं करोगे तो चलेगा बट पॉडकास्ट देख लोगे so you'll find the main pinpoints that on which आपको फोकस करना पड़ेगा।
आपकी एज अ पॉडकास्ट की जर्नी कैसे शुरू हुई?
So as I told you that I didn't thought that much कि ये सब मेरे को करना है ये। I just simply thought that I called up my HOD who is from LG only, Mr. मौसम पंड्या, कि सर एक पॉडकास्ट मेरे को करना है। और तो बोले ध्रुविश क्यों अचानक पॉडकास्ट? मैंने बोलो करना है, वो देख लेंगे कि कैसा जाएगा या कैसे नहीं। एंड आई सिंपली स्टार्टेड इट। आई डेंट हैड दैट बैक थॉट इन माई माइंड दैट आई वॉन्ट टू क्रिएट दिस होल थिंग। सो वंस यू स्टेप अप ऑन अ सिंगल स्टेप देन यू फाइंड द स्टेयर केस। सो एक बार धीरे धीरे मैं वो सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ने लगा एंड करंटली नाउ ऑल्सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू स्टेप अप मोर ऑन दैट स्टेयर केस।
आपने कुछ ट्रेनिंग ली थी या आपने किसी के पास से कुछ ऐसे मतलब अपने आप को ट्रेन किया था क्या?
So, see, before starting this, you should be very confident. I'll just give you a simple example that we called the ADGP of Gujarat, who is IPS Ajay Chaudhary, right? So, he rejected a podcaster who had 60,000 subscribers on her YouTube channel. And at that moment, we were just, playing around 700, 800 subscribers, right? So, we also honestly didn't thought that हमको वो उतना अच्छा respond करेंगे. But in the current scenario, what people are morely focusing on is that what is the content which you are delivering. They are not focusing on the number of subscribers which you are having, right? So we tried to depict a very strong content. हमने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के सेगमेंट में उतना डीप डाइव किया कि हमने इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर को भी बुला दिया और द फाउंडर ऑफ इंडियाज लार्जेस्ट क्रिकेट स्कोरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म को भी बुला दिया। एंड वी कॉल्ड ADGP। और आप ADGP के सामने भी कुछ बोलोगे ना तो आपको भी थोड़ा you'll feel anxious that how can I ask this question to him. We talked about Dawood Ibrahim, which is a very viral topic, but still he answered. So you just need a better confidence and a good charisma before depicting anything. मेरे लिए तो वही है।
आपने मतलब यहाँ से अपनी स्टडी कंप्लीट की है और आपने यहाँ से ही अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट की है, तो हाउ डू यू मैनेज एवरीथिंग?
So on the initial scale, right, I was doing my internships. I had my 9 to 5, that proper job in which I was a front end developer. I was developing stuffs for a company, right? In the back end, I thought that I want to start this because in this era, people are more fond of listening podcasts rather than reading books. Right, so I tried to manage multiple things. Right, currently, I'm also managing different brands. So, Beyond the Noise is a podcast channel, and BTN Studios is a place where we manage and consult brands for their digital presence. तो अभी भी वही चीज़ में मैं अटकता हूँ that how will be I able to manage multiple things simultaneously. But एक बार when you dive deep in that ocean आप figure out कर ही लेते हो that how can I save myself. So वो तो हो ही जाता है. But you just have to dive deep. That's the main thing.
ओके। अभी बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट पे पॉडकास्ट हो रहे हैं, तो मतलब आप मुझे कोई ऐसा मतलब अपना कोई फोटे कुछ ऐसा कुछ
So initially, when we started shooting some podcast, I had a clear vision that I do not want to invite influencers or someone who are just hyping up the Instagram by dancing or by creating some reels. See, I totally appreciate. I'm not just telling a negative impact for them. I also respect their credibility, but I wanted to have a talk with someone who have created something phenomenal in their life, right? Because लोगों को वो डांस और वो गाने सुनने पसंद है, but he आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा that he is building a 100 crore company, right? So my main forte was on entrepreneurship, right? Then we tried to diversify it into many contents. We dived into the police segment. Then recently I had a podcast with ex-NSG Commando, right? So now we are having many diversification, but still our main goal is to educate people and provide some insightful content that वो एक बार हमारा पॉडकास्ट देखेंगे तो 4 जन के बीच में उतना वो कॉन्फिडेंटली बोल पाएंगे जो वो 4 जन को नहीं पता होगा.
कोई ऐसा पॉडकास्ट जिसमें आपने बहुत सारी चैलेंजिंग फेस मतलब की हो, ऐसा कुछ?
Yes, as I told ADGP, right? I was pretty nervous before shooting, right? And the protocols which we need to follow. There are some things जो आपको नहीं पूछनी होती है, right? Still, we tried that, we can ask him because we wanted to portray the national side of IPS Ajay Chaudhary. So at a point when you sit with an IPS officer who is handling the main crimes all over Gujarat, you feel pretty nervous, right? So at that moment also मेरे को लगा that how will I be able to manage that all questions without fumbling? Because when you start fumbling in a podcast, it depicts that you're not that confident. So that was one of the most challenging part for me, but whomsoever I tried my best and I executed it on my best level.
यहाँ पे ज़्यादातर सुनने वाले हमारे स्टूडेंट हैं, तो आप उनको कुछ राय देना चाहेंगे?
सी मैं भी खुद स्टूडेंट ही हूँ. आई डो नॉट वांट टू बी दैट स्टीरियोटाइप मोटिवेटर दैट ये कर दो वो कर दो, एंड ऑनेस्टली आई हैव नॉट बिल्ड दैट मच, राइट? बिकॉज I've created something, but I'm not proud of that, because I just give you a small thought that my ambition is so high that whenever I'm living in my succession period, still I'm thinking that ये सब चीज़ों भी मेरे को करनी है, right? So I do not have that specific thought, but my main answer is that you start something of your own, right? Every time 9 to 5 will give you a bread, but if you want to eat a pizza, you need to come out of that circle and start something of your own. और पहले 2 साल आपको लगेगा that no one is responding, कोई कुछ नहीं कर रहा. We also had some podcasts where we minimally got 200 300 views, right? And I spent very good amount of money by shooting, by recording, and by editing that thing. But still, I had a hope that I'll cater many audience, and still we are not at that very good phase that I'm being recognized by whole Ahmedabad or pan India. But still we are trying to develop that good sense of insightful podcast, and we are inviting good dignity people day by day. So that's the thing, that एक बार start कर रहे हो तो you do not have the back gear or a reverse gear. You just need to go on the forward thing.
ओके, आपने कई सारे पॉडकास्ट मतलब कि किए हैं, उसमें से कोई अपना कोई एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना चाहेंगे यहाँ पे?
So yes, my experience in that is that I went to Delhi. I had a podcast in Delhi, and it was मेरे एक दिन में 2 podcast थे, right? So I was trying very best that I wanted a podcast with a NSG Commando, right? He is currently ex-NSG Commando, and he had many wonderful stories which I wanted to depict, and I want to portray that. और हुए दिन पे luckily I also got a collaborative podcast, right? So that company had a they did a collaboration with Beyond the Noise, right? And they gave me a airfare, right? They gave me a remuneration and the collaboration amount which we took. So it was the phase where I had only 30 minutes gap in between 2 podcasts, and I had to shot 2 podcasts of 1 hour, simultaneously. So that was some challenging phase, but I accomplished it with, nice content.
फैमिली सपोर्ट आपका कैसा रहा?
No words, no words beyond that. I just had a very, very, very strong family support. ये very up 10 times भी कर सकते हो. I had a very strong support from my dad, my mom, right? And without that, I don't think it's even possible that I can come up at LJ Radio and have a podcast with you, because without family support initially, no one can give you a single penny. We are not having anything to showcase, right? So वो सब चीज़ों में family support अगर नहीं होगा तो I wouldn't build this thing.
मतलब आपको मोटिवेशन कहाँ से मिलता है, मतलब
So
कोई
yeah,
कोई बात पे डटे रहने के लिए?
honestly speaking, in India, there are many podcasters which they are telling that I'm a podcaster, but they are not podcasters. They are just interviewers. What are they doing is that they are taking a piece of paper, right? उसमें से they are just watching it, they are asking it, watching it, they are asking it. So the main reason behind that is it's not a podcast, right? It's just an interview. So I found a great market gap into that. If you go in the West, there are many podcasters who, for example, Andrew Huberman, Chris Williamson. What they do is that they just do not have that whole fancy setup, just a black background, two mics and a camera, and they record some real stuff. So if you are also watching that, you will feel that मैं भी एक तीसरा आदमी हूँ जो उनके साथ बैठा हूँ. That's what a podcast is. बट पीपल आर फिगरिंग आउट इन दैट वे दैट इट्स नॉट दैट वे. वो लोग इंटरव्यू के हिसाब से उसको ले रहे हैं. बट द मेन स्टोरी बिहाइंड अ पॉडकास्ट इज जस्ट अ नेचुरल कॉन्वर्जेशन विच वी आर हैविंग, एंड वी आर जस्ट रिकॉर्डिंग इट एंड वी आर पब्लिशिंग इट. So main forte वही है, and I wanted to create a market gap that, you know, if I provide the authentic content to my audience, they'll recognize it as a real podcast.
आपने इतने सारे पॉडकास्ट किए हैं, मतलब आपका कोई सबसे अच्छा वाला पॉडकास्ट आपको जो बहुत पसंद आया हो वो?
So my best podcast was with NSG Commando, right? As I told you, I'm very fond of Indian Army. I am fond in the vertical of defense, right? I had multiple questions, and at that moment when we had a podcast, India recently had a devastating attack known as Pahalgam attack, right? So the tensions amid between India and Pakistan were so high. So that moment, every national or nation, जो भी नेशन के साथ होगा उसको एक गूजबम्स आएगा दैट दैट गाइस किल्ड दिस मेनी पीपल एंड स्टिल हाउ आर वी एबल टू एक्सप्रेस आवरसेल्फ. और हम तो तब बॉर्डर पे नहीं जा सकते. अंदर का एक डोपामीन हाई होता है दैट अगर गन दे दे तो मैं उनको शूट कर दूंगा. सो व्हाट आई ट्राइड इज दैट डोपामीन आई कन्वर्टेड इनटू माय पॉडकास्ट, एंड आई आस्क्ड मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आई एंड मेनी पीपल हैड, दैट विल इंडिया रिस्पॉन्ड बैक, इंडिया कैसे उसको डिफेंड करेगा, और फ्यूचर में इसका क्या एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बनेगा. So that was my best podcast, and luckily it got viral also, and we catered around 1.6 1600 hours of watch time on that. So 1600 hours का watch time मेरे वो podcast में आया. So it was something phenomenal.
ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप यहाँ के स्टूडेंट को क्या मतलब कहना चाहेंगे ये फील्ड में आने के लिए?
So if you want to come into the creative side, right, I am first of all a full stack developer, right? मैं React में भी करता था developing, और backend में Django में भी करता था. So I just found it that वो मैं कर रहा था, it was giving me money, but it was not solving the inner self की अंदर से जो एक खुशी मिलनी चाहिए ना. और हर बार वो भी होता है that if you find some real thing जिसमें आपको खुशी मिल रही है, वो आपको bread and butter नहीं दे पाएगी. So you have to find that stream which can also give you a good bread and butter or a pizza, and it's also telling you कि नहीं मेरे को अभी मजा आ रहा है ये करने में. So I feel that आपको जो अच्छा लग रहा है वो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल करो, बट वो चीज़ भी देखो दैट उससे आप आपकी फैमिली चला सकते हो या नहीं, राइट? इफ आपको जैसे हॉर्स राइडिंग करना पसंद है, दैट्स योर पैशन, आपको उसमें फ्यूचर बनाना है, तो फ्यूचर तो बना लोगे, बट स्टिल यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू हैव दैट गुड अमाउंट ऑफ फिगर ऑफ अमाउंट जो आप फ्यूचर में सेव कर पाओगे. सो हैव अ पैशन टुवर्ड्स दैट थिंग विच कैन गिव यू अ गुड ROI basically, right? So I don't feel that podcast gives you a best ROI compared to developing that all things, but I think that it's a sustainable thing जहाँ पे मैं मेरी सेल्फ को और मेरी फैमिली को एक सस्टेनेबल अप्रोच से ले जा पाता.
रेडियो एलजी के स्टूडियो में आके आपको कैसा लगा?
So first of all, I need to thank to Jayesh Pandya sir that उन्होंने मेरे को ये opportunity दी that Dhruvish you come to the studio, we'll have a podcast. And foremost thank you to you that you just had a fabulous questionnaire, और जो questions आपने पूछे वो मेरे को honestly बहुत मज़ा आया answering that all questions. And a big thank to Mayank bhai and Ami that it was a very nice production and it was a flawless podcast for me. Thank you so much for inviting me.
थैंक यू ध्रुविश.